This is laparoscopic coloscopy of a gangrenous gallbladder, 10 mm port, where we have put a inflation cable here. So we're getting a gas pipe where we will start having an inflation over on this side. 5 mm port for a camera, and this extra port, the right hypochondrium, we have attached to suction, and that suction from an extra gas cable goes to on that side to the suction tube, and this is how we're going to create absolutely environment where we will not lead to any kind of aerosol outside this pneumoperitoneum. During surgery, suppose you to diffuse it, we just need to open it up, go in and go down. So all gases will go directly into the suction consumption, from where they can go on to the main suction area, from where they are out of it, or OTPD, right? That's all. So we're going to start a surgery, we're going to record a complete one, and we'll show you how we're going to make it more successful and without causing any aerosol generation during COVID-19. Thank you so much. So now we're going to withdraw the gallbladder out. This was an insufflating port. You can see on the camera ahead, this is insufflating port. So what we'll do right now, we will identify the gallbladder which has been there, lying collapsed portion. So we'll first introduce a claw forceps to hold this thing. Brother, give me a claw forceps. And after holding up from the claw forceps, the next step, this is you have hold it up. We will close this insufflation tube and we'll open this suction tube to collapse the whole cavity first, so it will make that all gases, you can see all the particles are traveling from there, going into the central suction, and from there the complete cavity or pneumoperitoneum will get collapsed. Once it is collapsed completely, then we will start extracting the gallbladder out so that there is no spillage of the aerosol inside. Thank you so much. So now if you see, this suction is still on, cavity is completely still collapsed, you don't see any pneumo inside, and now we're going to put this port again. However, we have stopped the insufflation, there is no gas going inside. This lung trocar can easily go in because track has already been formed, so it is in. We're going to close this 5 mm one and just on that insufflation trocar from here. Now we can just switch off this one and see. If we switch off this one, gradually pneumoperitoneum will start getting created inside. So everything appears fine here now. This is the port that we have here, and we have not increased any incision from outside, so there is no leakage possibility on the inside incision, and then we're going to remove the remaining gauze which is placed inside the peritoneum, and just this a small didn't come out. Thank you so much.